Good day from Carmarka. These are the parts for the G-Wagon old model to new model. The difference of this kit is high quality from all the aftermarket. You have the option to select silver kind of trims or chrome kind of trims for the bumper. The brackets, these are with the big size of the headlights. The headlights are very big size, proper size. Look how big they are, and the shape, the diameter also is very big. Different type of fenders. These fenders are exactly made without those vent grills in the front. They are made to fit with the big lights. There is a fender lamps also included, special one for this kind of fenders. All right, fender extensions. In case if you want to use functional air vents, still those pipes are supplied. Silver trims for the bumper, front skid plate. Radiator grill with all that kind of features, all the fittings, as you can see, all that dummy cameras if you don't have it, all the connectors, this logo brackets, all that kind of stuff. All right, you can see it's properly done. Brackets, plate holders, mud flaps, rear bumper reflectors. All right, rear tail lights with ballast also included. Another brackets, another reinforcement from inside. All those items are included. That's a metal also item. This is bumper bracket there. Okay, these are the mirrors. Okay, these are the connectors like this. If you want other type of connectors, mirrors have to be supplied separately. You can see this is with the sensor. Courtesy lamp. It's already have painted black, gloss black.